What is mathematics? Is it useful to our daily lives? What special pattern can you see in our nature? What role does mathematics play in our world? Welcome! As you continue to watch this video, I will share to you my opinion about those questions. What is mathematics? Mathematics, in simple words, is the science and study of quality, structure, space, and change. It comprises of topics such as quantity, its number theory, structures of algebra, geometry, and change analysis. Is it useful to our daily lives? Math is all around us, in everything we do. For me, mathematics is useful in our daily lives, most especially in these times where technology is up to date. Dealing with math, which talks about more on numbers, is relevant in our daily living, in such a way that we work for a living. It deals with salaries, which has to be part of numbers. Having enough knowledge or even its basics is already okay as we face through working aspects. In the aspects of technology, mathematics can be useful in terms of programming. Mathematics can be so hard for all of us, but instead we see the negative side of it. We must see the beauty inside of it instead. What special patterns can you see in our nature? First is fractals. A fractal is a never-ending pattern. The example of fractals is this tree branch. Second pattern is waves. Waves is a physical phenomenon characterized by its frequency, wavelength, and amplitude. An example of this is ocean wave. Next pattern is spiral. A spiral is a logarithmic spiral or growth spiral. Is a self-similar spiral curve which often appears in nature. This picture is an example of spiral. Next pattern is crack. A crack is a line on the surface of something along which has split with breaking into separate parts. Example of a crack is a crack on these woods because this woods has lost its nutrients from the time it was cut off from the tree. Our last but not the least pattern is symmetry. Symmetry is one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in some way. For two objects to be symmetrical, they must be the same size and shape. This plant is an example of bilateral or vertical symmetry. What role does mathematics play in our world? Mathematics plays a big role in our world before or even today, especially when it comes to buying our needs. Through money, we use math to calculate how much we spend. Not just in that aspect, also in constructing buildings. Nowadays, we see a lot of buildings, bridges who are under construction, and we know that engineers can't do it without mathematics. And we were able to tell time through math. The measure of the ingredients we put in cooking food is determined through math. We do mathematics wherever we go or whatever we do. That is how important mathematics is. And that would be all. Thank you for watching.